Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on your phone. It's easier than you might think, with several official methods available for both Android and iOS devices. We'll cover how to directly install the game on certain phones and explore the popular cloud gaming services that let you stream Fortnite. Get ready to jump into the action, whether you prefer touch controls or a connected controller, and enjoy the Battle Royale experience on the go. For Android users, the primary way to get Fortnite is through the Epic Games app. First, open your phone's web browser and go to the official Fortnite website. You'll find a download link for the Epic Games app. Before installing, you'll need to allow installations from unknown sources in your device's security settings. Once the Epic Games app is installed, open it, find Fortnite, and proceed with the game download, which is typically several gigabytes in size. If you're on an iPhone or iPad in the United States, you can download Fortnite directly from the App Store. For those in the European Union, the Epic Games Store app is your go-to. Alternatively, for all regions and devices, cloud gaming is a fantastic option. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming, NVIDIA GeForce Now, and Amazon Luna allow you to stream Fortnite directly to your phone's browser, requiring no large downloads and often supporting touch controls or a connected controller. To get the best Fortnite experience on your phone, a few tips can help. Always use a strong, stable internet connection, ideally Wi-Fi, to minimize lag. Close any unnecessary background applications to free up your phone's processing power and memory. Adjust the in-game graphics settings to suit your device. Lower settings can provide smoother gameplay on less powerful phones. Finally, consider pairing a Bluetooth controller for more precise and comfortable control during intense battles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.